तो कॉल कर फोन करके नंबर पे तो व्हाई एक्चुअली ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज रिक्वायर्ड तो आमे जो डिवाइस सब यूज करूचे से डिवाइस जदि ओएस न रहिबो ताले ताको मु जते कहि देले आपको गोटे ऑपरेटिंग गोटे पेपर वेट मशीन को आसीबो आमर बॉडी रो आत्मा जेमते रहउची सोल जेमते सोल पहिले में डेथ करी कुआ जाउची सेमती ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होची सोल ऑफ द एनी सिस्टम ओके मोबाइल एप्लिकेशन में एंड्रॉइड रहउची ओके आमर जेमते कि ए जो लैपटॉप हो डेस्कटॉप रो आ भीतर रहउची हमर कोन ना ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम बुझी होची तो ए ओएस ता होची हमर डिफरेंट प्रकार रहउची मोबाइल रहला एंड्रॉइड बैकएंड रहउची लिनक्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ओके तो आमे जदि कहबो मोबाइल कोन एंड्रॉइड कहउचे किंतु ता बैकएंड रे लिनक्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम बुझी होची तो सबले मन रखथिबो जे मोबाइल जोडा होची एक्चुअली इट इज लिनक्स ऑपरेटिंग Linux operating system is so strong that any virus cannot be attacked to them. For other operating system, you require the antivirus. কিন্তু Linux doesn't require any antivirus. It is itself a antivirus because it is written in Java. So Java is such a programming language. For creating a virus, Java is required. For creating an antivirus, then also Java is required. ମାନେ କଣ୍ଟାକୁ କଣ୍ଟାରେ କାଢିବା ଯେମିତି କହନ୍ତି ତ ଜାଭା ହଉଛି ସେଇଭଳିଆ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମିଂ ओके तो लिनक्स टा कंप्लीटली जो जावा रे बना जायछि तार कोडिंग स्ट्रक्चर एते स्ट्रांग थाए ताको कोनोसी एंटीवायरस दरकार पड़े ना आगुरु जते बेले हम स्मार्टफोन यूज करूथिले सेते बेले एंटीवायरस हमको इंस्टॉल करिया तबे एंटीवायरस में दरकार पड़े तबे हम एंटीवायरस यूज करू छी ओके ताको देखि के बे विंडोज ताको अपग्रेड करानी विदाउट एनी एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर हम आपको इजीली अपग्रेड भी करि पारी some of the popular operating system equal allow दीजिए ତମେ ଆଉ କେତେ ପାଖରେ ରହିଲା ହବ ଏତେ 10 ମିନିଟ ଲେଟରେ ଆସ ସବୁ କ୍ଲାसेस ତ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम थिला ताको आजिबो DOS which stands for Dix operating system what is the DOS command actually DOS command is working this command prompt tool this one okay so it is working on this command prompt suppose if you want to move any drive you write here D colon enter okay हमें ड्राइव को इटी जीगा ओके जदि कौन से फोल्डर बनेबा mkdir ओके तब ना दे परियो ए सॉरी এটা দেখো নাকি जस्ट अ सेकंड this is DOS command okay again I show you for moving to the DOS command write cmd window run रा में cmd मारिबा मतलब हम DOS command यूज होला आर कौन से ग्राफिक यूजर इंटरफेस नहीं मते सपोज डी ड्राइव को मूवमेंट करिवार अछि डी कोलन एंटर ओके एंड फॉर क्रिएटिंग ए डायरेक्टरी mkdir जोटा कि हमें राइट क्लिक न्यू फोल्डर करूथिले एठी mkdir यूज करा okay folder is created dana and for moving to any folder को मूवमेंट करने पे हमें यूज करेगा cd then folder name now we are in the folder okay actually it is working in the command prompt sector it is having a DOS command it is not having any kind of graphic user interface तो नॉर्मल यूजर ए एप्लीकेशन को जदि यूज करिवो ए ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को यूज करिवो ताहले ताको ए कमांड सब मने रखिवा को पड़ी ओके तो से पे एटा पॉपुलर हैला बट सी दैट this way still it is used for hacking for network management for satellite management They are not having any kind of graphic user interface. Graphic user interface रे ते control करी होगा. सब command through रे हो. तो satellite launch बड़े कौन सी जितना system hack करते हुए इनकी सब आसी. Okay. For come out to the folder बाहर को ऐसे पे cd data use. Okay. Now after that Microsoft developed some operating system like Windows operating system. Now we are in the Windows 11. It is so much popular. Linux operating system is there for running the Apple based application. Mac OS is present. Solaris is the operating system. Basically, it is used for banking application. बैंक रे जो operating system use करा जाउची बैंक रो database ये सब management ପାଇଁ Solaris use करा जाउची. JBoss. All operating system are designed to perform the following basic operation. What is that? Send information to the computer through the keyboard. Through the keyboard, you are passing the information. Display the result on the monitor. Send the information to the printer. Read and write file on the secondary storage device. Okay. As it contains the interface, as it is contain the graphical user interface, it is interactive to the user. Mobile ले जदि graphic जदि नथांता डिस्प्ले ए जो जीयूआई नथांता ताहाले हमको एटा यूज करिया को एते इजियर हे नथा. हमको कमांड मन रखिया पड़े. ओके जेमति कि हमर अकाउंट बैलेंस देखिया को हेले हमें एटीएम टाको नेके लगाउछे पिन नंबर दोछे तले हमर अकाउंट बैलेंस हमें चेक करि पारो. किंतु से जगह रे जति यूजर इंटरफेस नथांता तुमको मागी थांता कमांड. Then you are writing select star from my account number, select star from bank details where account number is this. तो एते बड़ कमांड लिखला बेलू कि मन रखी पारे जदि कोन से टॉली वाला को कहबा जाय कि तो बाहर कर सी कहबो मु एते बड़ कोडिंग टेक्निक लिखी मु पैसा रखिया दरकार नै बे मुझे होछ ना. So actually it is helping you a lot of manner like you are giving a information, it giving you a result. If you want to print the information, you give the command to the printer, read and write to the secondary files. Okay. What are the actual major function of the operating system? It communicate with the hardware and attached device. Like device manager is. If you see that some of the component is already present in the laptop, like keyboard is already there. Okay, and some device we are install additionally. Suppose if you want to add a web camera, better web camera for communication, already the webcam is there in the laptop. I want an extra web camera, so I need to install the driver for that. Okay, instruction for that. If I want to attach a printer, printer command is not there. Why? Like you can use the different type of printer, Canon printer, HP printer, lot of printers are there. And all the printers work is different. So to communicate your hardware with the printer, you require a driver. If you are installing the driver, whenever you send any command from the laptop, then you are getting out. The printer ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ରହିବ driver, camera driver ରହୁଛି. Additionally ତମେ ଯଦି କୌଣସି joystick add କରୁଛ ତା ପାଇଁ ବି driver install ଦରକାର. So it is a small software. It is just like a software. Okay, and through this software, you are able to communicate with the other device, like third-party device, which is not included in the system. In the system, what it is given? It is given a keyboard. It is given a mouse. Already touchpad is there in the laptop. Speaker is there. If you want to install an additional speaker, they require a driver. Okay. So for installing a driver manager will be required. Manage different types of memory. We are already discussed with the different memory like primary memory. Primary memory के जो RAM, ROM, okay. Cache memory is there, which is contains small amount of information, and for RAM, which command is required frequently, that information is stored in the cache memory. Okay, cache memory. It's just like that. You are you are having a mixture in your what? Daba. When you are boring, you are taking a mixture. When you are reading and you are feeling asleep, then you are taking this mixture. Okay, variety job it is going on, and like the weather condition now. Okay, mixture is required. Moody mixture, piazo. Okay, frequently which thing is required? भात सहित खट्टा खाइबा frequently दरकार हुए. चिकेन सबुळे खाइ परिबो କିନ୍ତୁ हठात एई गोटे जिंस एटा सबुतरे यूज हेबो. घिओ पकै खाइबो. ओके, ଆମେ आर्मी ट्रेनिंग रे जेता थिलो हमर घिओ डबाटा समस्त पाखरे कंपलसरी. ओके, ଯାହା ହଉ ଆମେ କଣ କରିବୁ ଖରାରେ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ କରିକି ଆସିବୁ ଥାଳିରେ ଘିଅଟା ପକେଇବୁ ଆଉ ଲାଇନରେ ଠିଆ ହେଇକି ଖାଇବା ପାଖକୁ ଗଲା ବେଳକୁ ସେ ଘିଅଟା ତରଳିକି ପୁରା ପ୍ଲେଟ ସାରା ହେଇଯାଇଥିବ ତାପରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଭାତ ପଡିବ ତା ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଅଲଗା ତାହେଲେ ସେ ଖାଇବା ଖରାପ ଥାଉ ଭଲ ଥାଉ କିଛି ପର୍ବା ନାହିଁ ସେ ଭିତରକୁ ପଶିଯାଏ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ସମୟ ହଷ୍ଟେଲ ଖାଇବା ସବୁ ଜାଗା ସେୟା ଆର୍ମିରେ ବି ସେୟା ଏଠି ତ ମିଳୁଛି ଏଠି ଆମକୁ କାରଣ ଇମାଜିନ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପ୍ଲେଟରେ ଆମେ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦିଆଯାଏ ଦେ ଟେକିଂ ଏ 2 teaspoon ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଉ ଟି ସ୍ପୁନ ଆମର ଚାମଚ ନୁହଁ ଚାମଚ ଏମିତି ସନ୍ତୁଳା ଦବ ତା ଦେହରେ 2 ଥର ଦବ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଥମ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗଲି ମତେ 2 ଥର ଦେଲା ମୁଁ କହିବି ମୁଁ ଅନେକ कहा चल चल आगे चल क्यों हाँ ना इतना ही मिलेगा ये सुंगरे से खत्म हो जाएगा खाऊंगा क्या नासिक रे मोर पड़ता ट्रेनिंग जाइए नासिक ट्रेनिंग सेंटर में जानছো না देवलाली বলছো দেওলালি তো দেওলালি নাসিক আমার ଥିଲା নাসিক ରେ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ଦେଓଲାଲି ପାଖରେ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପ ଫ୍ୟାମ୍ପ ଓକେ provide a user interface. Okay, user interface is required where you can easily provide your information. जो जगह मते किसी हेडाक लगी मते यूजर फ्रेंडली लाइक फॉर यूजिंग ए मोबाइल जेतरा मो मोबाइल मु चेंज करिवि मते कि आसी ट्रेनिंग दब आगरो जेतरा एंड्रॉइड मोबाइल फोन आसला एंड्रॉइड मोबाइल फोन यूज करिया पे गोटे ट्रेनिंग होतला ओके एंड्रॉइड मोबाइल फोन यूज करिया पे ट्रेनिंग कोर्स करतले पिला कैन इमेजिन. But now, when you switch any kind of mobile phone, is it required to taking a training? मतलब training नेले जाके मैं WhatsApp पे send करी message. Nothing is required. Because of why it is happened? Earlier, the people are using this word keypad mobile phone and they're not acquainted with the what are the different features are available. Smart features are available. But now a newborn babies come to know that where is the YouTube, how to speak, how to get the Natia comedy, and how to play PUBG, Fire, Free Fire. Okay, why? Now the interface is making in that way so that it can easily interact. So in every application, they're using artificial intelligence and machine learning, AI and machine learning. Okay, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିବ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆଟେ ଗୁଗୁଲ ର ସ୍ପିକ୍ ମାରିକି କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରୁଥିବ ସେ ନଟିଆ କହିପାରୁନଥିବ ନଟିଆ ଏମିତି ୱାର୍ଡିଂ ଦଉଥିବ ପ୍ରଥମେ ସେ ଜାଣିପାରିବ ତାପରେ ତା ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ କଣ କରିବେ ତାକୁ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ସ୍ପେସ୍ ମାରିକି ଆଉ ଥରେ ଟାଇପ କରିଦେବେ ତ ମସିନ ସେଠୁ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ କରିନବ ନା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଛୁଆଟେ ଯୋଉ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ବାର ବାର ମତେ ରେକ୍ଟିଫାଇ କରାଯାଉଛି that means the kid is saying something but I am giving you other result. So after some time when the kid is saying that notia then notia is coming and parent is happy but it is not the art of the kid, it is the art of the machine. যেটা নয়া মোবাইল কিনিব টাইপিং করতে হবে স্পিড রে সেটা গোটে কি প্রেস করতে হবে ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ কি ଆସିଯିବ ଆସେ କି ନାହିଁ ଆକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟେଡ ନଥାଏ ସେ ଯୋଉ କିପ୍ୟାଡ ଆମ ଫିଙ୍ଗର ସହିତ ଆକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟେଡ ନଥାଏ 6 7 ମାସେ କିମ୍ବା 15 days ତମେ ୟୁଜ କଲା ପରେ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ ସେ ତମ ଫିଙ୍ଗର କୁ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଫାଇ କରିବ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଇଜ ଦ ମସିନ୍ ତ ବ୍ୟାକ ଏଣ୍ଡ ରେ କି ଅଛି ବ୍ୟାକ ଏଣ୍ଡ ରେ କି ଅଛି ଲିନକ୍ସ ଅଛି ନା ୟୁଜର ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡଲି ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ ନୁହଁ ତାର ବହୁତ ପ୍ରକାର ଡିରେକ୍ଟୋରୀ ବନେଇବାକୁ ଆମେ ଏମିତି ରାଇଟ କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରି ପକଉଛେ ଏଠି ତାର ଡିରେକ୍ଟୋରୀ ସେମିତି ନୁହଁ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଯେମିତି କି ଏଇଟା ଏଥିପାଇଁ ୟୁଜର ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡଲି ନୁହଁ ଆର କୌଣସି ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଭର୍ସନ ସବୁ ବାହାରିଲାଣି ୟୁଜର ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡଲି ଏଥିପାଇଁ ନୁହଁ ଯେମିତି ଆମେ କୋଲଗେଟ କହିଲେ ଆମେ ଟୁଥପେଷ୍ଟ କୁ ହିଁ ବୁଝାଉ ସେ ପେପସୋଡେଣ୍ଟ ହଉ କି ଯାହା ହଉ ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ କୋଲଗେଟ ଦେହ ଭାଇ କିନ୍ତୁ କ୍ଲୋଜଅପ୍ ବି ତା ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ ଦଉଛି ଓକେ ଅମୁଲ ମାଗିଲେ ଅମୂଲ୍ୟା ବି ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ଅମୁଲ ଆଜ ଏ ବ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ମିନ୍ସ ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ର ନାଁ ଏମିତି ହେଇଯାଇଛି ତାতে ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ରେକଗ୍ନାଇଜ ଓକେ it's just like that linux strongly having a security part but whenever you going to the server side programming programs then you can find the linux so where it is not easy that means there is a security concern okay ଯଦି security concern ଅଛି ଆଉ easy ନୁହଁ ତାକୁ କେହି ଟଚ୍ କରିବେ ୱିଣ୍ଡୋ କୁ ଇଜିଲି ଜଣେ ହ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗ କରିକି ତାକୁ ମଡିଫାଇ କରିଦେବ ଲିନକ୍ସ କୁ କରିବାର ସମ୍ଭାବନା ଏତେ ଇଜି ନୁହଁ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ କରିବା ଫୋଲ୍ଡର ବନେଇବା ବି ଏତେ ଇଜି ନୁହଁ ବୁଝିଲ ତା ଫୋଲ୍ଡର ବନେଇବା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଏଠି mkdir ଲିଖି ଦଉଛେ ସେଠି କମାଣ୍ଡ ହବ ଓକେ system under the system software operating system is a part okay a lot of system software is there like bios is a system software operating system is a system software without bios you cannot move to the what operating system bios is what for starting a program okay that means ହନୁମାନ କୁ ଯେମିତି ତାଙ୍କର ବଳ ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ ତାକୁ ହନୁମାନ ଚାଳିଶା କହିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ସେ ଆରେ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଏତେ ବଳ ଅଛି ଡେଇଁ ପଡୁଥିଲେ ତ ସିଷ୍ଟମ କୁ ଯୋଉ ହନୁମାନ ଚାଳିଶା ଦରକାର ପଡେ ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି ବାୟୋସ୍ ଆମେ ଏଥର ଶୋଇଥିବା ପୁରା ହଠାତ୍ ପୁରା ଗୋଟେ ଗାର୍ଡ ନିଦ ଲାଗେ ମାନେ ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଟ୍ରକ୍ ବସ୍ କିଛି ଯାଉଛି ଆମକୁ ଜଣା ପଡିବ ଗାର୍ଡ ନିଦ ଲାଗେ ନାଇଁ ତମକୁ ତ ସବୁବେଳେ ଲାଗିଯାଉଛି ମତେ ରେୟାରଲି ଲାଗେ ଗାର୍ଡ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗାର୍ଡ ନିଦ ଲାଗେ ଭେରି ହାପି ଗାର୍ଡ ନିଦ ହୁଏ ଗାର୍ଡ ନିଦ ମାନେ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଲାଇକ୍ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ଇଜ ବ୍ଲାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସ୍ଲେପ୍ଟ ଉଠିବ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମକୁ ଜଣା ପଡିବନି ହୁଆରିବ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସଟଡାଉନ ହେଇଯାଏ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଇଜ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟଲି ବ୍ଲାଙ୍କ ବାୟୋସ୍ କଣ କରିବ ତାକୁ ରେକଗ୍ନାଇଜ କରିବ ଭାଇ ଏଇଟା ତୋର ହାତ ଅଛି ତୋ ପାଖରେ ଏଇଟା କିବୋର୍ଡ ଅଛି ତୋ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ମାଉସ ଅଛି ତୋର ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ସ୍କ୍ରିନ ତାକୁ ରେକଗ୍ନାଇଜ କରିବ ଭାଇ ହଉଛି ତୁ ହଉଛି ଇଏ ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି ବାୟୋସ୍ ବାୟୋସ୍ ଟା ଲୋଡ ହେଇଗଲା ତାକୁ ଜଣେଇଦେଲେ ମୋର ଅଙ୍ଗ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟଙ୍ଗ ଅଛି ଏବେ ମୁଁ ଚିହ୍ନିବି ବାହାର ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଆରେ ମୋ ମେମୋରି ଲୋଡ ହବ ମେମୋରି କେମିତି ଲୋଡ ହବ ନା ହାର୍ଡ ଡିସ୍କ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି ଯୋଉଟା ଷ୍ଟୋର ଅଛି ସେଟା ମୋର ର୍ୟାମ କୁ ଅଛି ମାନେ ମୋ ହାର୍ଡ ଡିସ୍କ ରେ ସିଦ୍ଧାର୍ଥର ଫେସ୍ ଟା ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଶୋଇଛି ସିଦ୍ଧାର୍ଥ ଯେପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୁଁ ନ ଉଠିଛି ଆଗ ମତେ ନିଜକୁ ଚିହ୍ନିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ମୁଁ ଉଠିଲି ହଁ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ହଁ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଚିନ୍ମୟ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଏ ଟ୍ରେନର ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଚିହ୍ନିବି କଣ ତାପରେ ମୋର ଲୋଡ ହବ ମେମୋରି ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବି ହଁ ସେଟା ମୋ ମେମୋରିରୁ ଆସିଲା କୋଉଠିକି ମୋର ପ୍ରାଇମେରୀ ମେମୋରି କି ଆସିଲା ହଁ ସିଦ୍ଧାର୍ଥ କଣ ତ ଏବେ ଯୋଉ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ ଯୋଉଟା ଇମିଡିଏଟଲି ଇଣ୍ଟରାକ୍ସନ କଲି ସେଟା ମୋର ପ୍ରାଇମେରୀ ମେମୋରି ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ so similar thing is happened in the system is nothing a what great thing it is a based upon the human life also os soul atma okay and ram that we are currently what we are doing okay so that is called as the word ram okay it enable the user to manipulate the program and data tax manager is there okay tax manager it means what whenever you are opening your mobile phone, you are opening different application. You open WhatsApp, you open Facebook. So all the things are there. It is not closed. Simultaneously, you are working Facebook, Instant, WhatsApp. Okay, it is not closed. You are moving. You are just switching. When somebody is sending the WhatsApp message, you are sending. And at that time, you are scrolling for the reels. Okay, so it is present in the tax web. The tax manager is managing all your tax. What is the maximum application you can open in a system? আমার কাছে গোটে রয়েছে 8 GB RAM. Okay, suppose I conduct a IT class here. So how many student I will able to sit over? Think then 6 বার 18টা ପିଲାକୁ ବସେଇ ପାରିବି. Okay, 18ଟା ପିଲା comfortably ବସେଇ ପାରିବି. ଯଦି 30ଟା ପିଲା ବସିବେ adjusting କରିବି uncomfortable. ସେମିତି ଗୋଟେ 8 GB RAM ରେ ଗୋଟେ maximum capacity ଥିବ ଯେ ସେ application ଟା ଏତିକି ଧର 20ଟା ମୋ ପାଖରେ 100 application I have loaded but at a time 20 application can run. Okay, सेम application तमे भी लोड करछो सिद्धार्थ भी लोड करछे तो तम मोबाइल 20 ओपन होजी सेम application तो सिद्धार्थ मोबाइल 10 ओपन होजी सेम मोबाइल फोन यूज होजी. व्हाट इज द रीजन? तमे सेम कंपनी रो मोबाइल फोन अछि सब जिंस सेम अछि तो तमरा 20टा ओपन होजी सिद्धार्थ रो 10टा ओपन होजी. कृष्णा एनी आईडिया? Please. 100 समान समान ତା ପାଖରେ ବି 100 ଅଛି ଆ ପାଖରେ ବି 100 ଅଛି ମୋବାଇଲ ବି ଏକା ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ତାର 20 ଓପନ ହଉଛି ଆର 10 ଓପନ ହଉଛି. This depends upon the data. କାହା ପାଖରେ ଡେଟା ଅଧିକ ଅଛି ବୁଝି ହଉଛି. ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଏଠି 6 ଜଣ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ବସେଇ ପାରିବି ବୁଝିହେଲା. ଯଦି ସବୁ ଯାକ ମୋଟା ମୋଟା ପିଲା ଆସିଲେ ତାର 2 ଜଣ କଟିଯିବେ ତ ବୁଝିହେଲା. ତ ମୁଁ କହିବି ଏପଟେ ବି 30 ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ବସି ପାରିବେ ସେପଟେ ବି 30 ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ବସି ପାରିବେ ସେମ ଆଇଟି କ୍ଲାସ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ କରେଇବା ସବୁ କରିବା କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି କମ ପିଲା ବସିବେ ସେଠି ଅଧିକ. ନା ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ ବସିବେ ଯେ ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ ଟା ଅଧିକ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ମୋଟା ଅଛନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ଆଉ କେହି ବସିପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ. ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଇଜ ଦ ରିଜନ. ଯୋଉଠି ଡେଟା ଅଧିକ ଥିବ ତ ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଏତେ ଓପନ ହବ ସେୟାରିଂ ହେଇଯିବ. ଫେସବୁକ୍ ମୁଁ ଯେତିକି ମେମୋରି କଣ୍ଟେନ୍ କରୁଛି Facebook software is 40 MB but when you check with your internal memory it is 40 MB for all. No, if you install newly it is 40 MB but after using it is not 40 MB. In my cases it is maybe 1 G. In your cases it is maybe 50 G, 50 MB. It depends upon the using. बुझे लगे नहीं? Next is file manager. Manage the file folder directory system. So some folder, some file you are permanently stored. For getting that file, when there is a requirement, easily we are requiring file manager. Where we are searching a file. Okay, आगुरु मोबाइल फोन रे जेतबे हमें कांटेक्ट नंबर स्टोर करूथिले तो at a time हमें 1000 नंबर स्टोर करि परिबा ताठो अधिका स्टोर करि परिबा नाही. तो मु जेतबे कहिबी एई लोकरा नंबर मते दरकार तारे कोन करा होतला आगुरु स्क्रॉल करथिले स्क्रॉल करो ये जो बटन को टिपी 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 चेकिंग करा होतला तापर ता ऊपर क्लिक करी देखाउतला रे नंबर एटा. एबे हमें कोन करूचे search option is there. You are searching with the name. Suppose you have forget the name Siddharth. So you know like the guy's name is starting from S. So you are right S. Then suddenly you come like Siddharth or Siddhant, you write SI. So from the SI, that means the name it is showing you, which is starting from S and I. It may be a Siddharth, it may be a Sipun, it may be a Sipra, anything. Okay. But after writing the two letter, you are searching a particular name. Okay. So in this way, it is giving you file manager. Another thing is what? When you store the contact number, it is stored in an alphabetical order. Listen. But earlier, what happened when you store the number, it is not stored in the alphabetical order. It's stored on the inserting on the arrival basis. Siddharth is coming, Siddharth. Next, Ansuman is coming, Ansuman. Next, Hemant is coming, Hemant. So it is showing you S, A, H. Depends upon the entry, it is showing you the data. Then it is difficult task to get the particular record. First of all, a record is not sorted. Okay, and next is search option is not there. So for getting one number or for finding a one number, it takes the time. Got it? But now what happened? Due to the some data structure of programming, it giving you for the searching option, as well as it is giving you all the information that you have stored here. It is sorted. Okay. Next, providing you basic networking structure for LAN or internet, or it is called the network manager. Network, it is a bigger concept. It is there in your second year. So why this network is required? Like I'm giving a one simple example. Suppose I'm running an office, okay, and I have 100 PC. This software agency contain 100 PC system, and they have being the daily work, like some work they have to giving you in an output basis, or you have to giving a printout. One printer cost today in the market is like 15,000, and for the system I will invest minimum 40,000. So 50,000, 55,000, or around 60,000 I have to invest. Okay, the 60,000 for one machine, one user. I require 100 users. So what is the amount it is required? कितना ये? 60 crores. If I minus that 15,000, मते सब प्रिंटर दरकार नहीं, गोटे प्रिंटर मु काम चले. तो गोटे प्रिंटर जदि काम चलेबी 100टा लोक अछंती, तले उठिकी कोन गोटे जगह को जिवे प्रिंटिंग करिया? नो. All the machines, all the computer are connected to a single printer. Whenever it is not like that every person is busy with the printer and every time. I have finished work, maybe other person not finished the work, so he's not giving a printout. So at that time I am giving a printout. So when I send the request, it is giving a printout. Printer is present at what location, and it is not like that I am moving always to that position and giving printout. By sitting my seat, I giving a print order, and the printer is there. It is happened all the 100 system connected to a single printer. It is because of the networking. Networking रे हमें कौन करी परिवा? गोटे होची resource sharing करी परिवा. That means one printer is sharing to the 100 people. Next is file sharing also. If you want to send your file, as I want to send, you are asking for the sir, please give the notes. So where I have to send the notes? If I have to starting send the notes to the 60 students, then it takes the time. If you are in a network, your network means you are in a group, then in a fraction of second, I am sending the same data to every person. That is a network. Okay. It is a small work, it is a what small work, or it is what it taking a lesser time to do all the things. Okay, one is time management is there, one is resource management is there, and you can share the multiple peoples by setting over here. Suppose I am giving a notes and I store in a drive. One sharing drive, I am giving a sharing drive that you have to download the file in between the timing. After that, because of when I share a one drive, the drive is having some limit. You are not only one batch, it is running for the IT classes, maybe 100 batches are there. So I have to share the same note. And same note I have, if I store over there, I have a limited disk space. So I am sharing a one note and sharing the drive and asking you that you have to download the file within that time. After that, you are not getting the file. Okay, that means it is for the limitation is there. Then with that sharing data, I am storing other some file. It provides minimal security to the computer system through the username and password. Okay, by operating system, you are giving a fingerprints, mobile phone, pattern lock, password key, phone pay key, UPI PIN number you have to give. The similar thing is happened in your operating system. Nobody can use, or any unauthorized person cannot use or take your data because you are giving a password. Okay. So let's discuss now device management. The computer system that we are using might be attached to peripheral device like keyboard, printer, modem, mouse. This device communicate with the computer for performing various tasks, which is controlled by the operating system. So what are the external device? Peripheral device. Peripheral device means the device which is attached outside of the system. System रा outside रे जो device गुड़ा काम attach करे ताको device peripheral device को आजीबो ଆଉ ସେ peripheral device को manage କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ use କରିବା device manage. Okay. Memory is the term usually referred to as a main memory. So when you're talking about memory, it considered as a main memory, which is implies for the RAM and ROM. It is a random access in nature. When the operating system are performing, operating system retrieve it from the disk and load into the memory. Okay, so first of all, OS is where OS is stored. OS is stored in a secondary memory. हमारा हार्ड डिस्क किंबा एसएसडी रे OS स्टोर हो किंतु जब रन हबो कोठी हमको दरकार कोन RAM दरकार. That means you are taking a registration over here, but your subject is different. Yes or no? The some subject you are combined, art science is combined. Some subject you are not combined. So based upon the subject you are divided. So at the time when I conducting a classes, I require some classroom. For the IT classes, the setup is there here. Some other classes, this setup is not required. Okay, so that means RAM is what? Now it is loaded all the operating system which is required. Okay, so memory is the term usually referred to as a main memory of a computer. It is a random access in nature. When operation are performing, operating system retrieve it from the disk and load into the memory. So when you switch on the computer, all the information is loaded into the main memory. From the main memory, you have to work. ଯେମିତି କି ଦେଖିବ ଆମର ଏଠୁ ଯାହା ବି ସବୁ ସପ୍ଲାଏ ଯାଉଛି ଓଡ଼ିଶାକୁ ଟୋଟାଲ କିମ୍ବା ଆମ ପାଖ ପାଖ ଏରିଆରେ ମାଲଗୋଦାମ ରୁ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଦେବେ। ମାଲଗୋଦାମ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଲେ ଆମର ରିଟେଲ ଦୋକାନୀ ମାନଙ୍କର ରେଟ୍ ବଢିଯିବ, ନହେଲେ ସେମାନେ ଚାଲିପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ। That is a food supplier, ମାଲଗୋଦାମ। ବାତ୍ୟା ଆରମ୍ଭ। କିଏ ମାରିଛ? happened ଚାଲିଗଲି ଆସିଗଲା କି?